there, Lori Hallett, audiologist and owner at Hearing Services West in Los Alamitos, California. Today, I want to talk about the importance of knowing and understanding the results of your hearing test when you see your local audiologist. Here at Hearing Services West, it's very important when a person comes in that they understand exactly what's happening with their hearing. We sit down together, we go over the results, and I even go as far as drawing the anatomy on their paperwork to explain and show them what is happening. This is the audiogram that we use that shows people how they are hearing, how their hearing came out. On the back of it, in my office anyway, we have information on their eardrum movement here. Now, when I want to explain to people everything that is absolutely happening, I go ahead and I draw the anatomy. So we've got the ear canal, the eardrum here. There are three little tiny bones in the body, and the tiniest bones in the body, and then the cochlea where the organ of hearing is. So we go ahead, we draw this. This is the eustachian tube, which allows air to flow in and out of this cavity here. And these are the cells, the tiny hair cells that actually get stimulated when we hear. So I always draw this. I explain to every person what is happening. Is there a problem here? Is there a problem here or here? So is it actually at the ear? Is it beyond the eardrum? Or is it where the cochlea is? So we're looking at all three parts, and I explain it thoroughly. And it just brings me back to a story that happened when I was in my early 20s. I took my grandfather for a follow-up to a dermatologist, and he was prideful. He didn't want me to go into the appointment with him. And he had had a big scab on his forehead due to some skin cancer that he had had removed. So he came out, we went back home to my grandparents' home, and my grandparents were kind of arguing, I guess you could say, as to what they were supposed to do with this scab that was on his head. So they had decided that he should drink soup and eat water twice daily to get rid of this scab. And I know that's a little bit crazy, but they were old school and they revered the medical profession. And so that's what they thought they should do. So I asked to see the note, and it actually said in a very scribbled doctor's writing, wash twice daily with soap and water. And in the medical profession, we use a C with a line over it for with. And the doctor used that with these, folks who were not in the medical profession. So it was very confusing to them. So I set them straight, but I bring that story with me every day to work because I want people to know and understand exactly what's happening with their hearing. So when you see your local audiologist, make sure you don't have questions, and maybe they are not comfortable drawing the anatomy, but they should have a picture there for you, and you should fully understand your hearing when you leave that office. Thank you.